single mummies and single daddies in the corporate world. I'm guessing you had enough of this hamster wheel all over again and again and again. Just non-stop working to make somebody else's dream completed and not having appreciated enough, not having enough time for your kids. It's just too much. And I'm guessing that you have something that you're truly passionate about and you're really good at and you cannot do because of your work, or maybe you are overly limited on what you can do or when and how you can do it in your job and you just fed up with that. How about we change this for you? I have an amazing training coming up next week on the 28th of September. We're gonna start a boot camp where you can learn which kind of business you can start from your passion and existing skills. And I know your excuse is, I don't have time for business. Well, you know what? I'm gonna show you in day two how to find the time and how to make sure you will have enough time to create your business on as a side hustle until you have the smooth transition to be able to quit your job. And by the end of this boot camp that I'm set up for you, you will be able to sell your very first offer. So I truly recommend you to sign up for this boot camp today. Don't waste time because if you don't do it now, you're gonna forget it. Life is busy, life running away from you. Don't let it happen. Sign up today, click the link below or above or wherever you find it, and just join us today. And just an extra tip about this, if you're truly passionate about giving back to other communities, then you can support us as well because I do have a VIP experience which is explained on the sign up page, which not just giving you extra value and extra materials and the option to keep the training materials forever. It also gives you the opportunity to support charities in Africa, support organizations who feed kids in Africa, because I'm supporting of orphanages, and 60% of every VIP ticket will go to these orphanages. So again, make sure if you want to be part of this, if you finally want to get your business off the ground or start your own business, without burning the boat and just jump into the deep water, you can do it now. Start it as a side hustle, grow it up alongside your 9 to 5 job until you secure enough to leave your 9 to 5 job and focus on your business. But I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna hold your hand all the way through and show you how can you make the smoothest transmission possible. So just join us and you won't regret it, I'm sure. See you in the inside of the group, click the link below or above or wherever you find it and join us in this transmission to business bootcamp. I can't wait to see you inside.